Yeah, now it's going.
We're breaking the seal. That's what we're doing.
Into purgatory. Oh wait, you're not there.
No.
Uh oh. Sorry. Nothing happens.
I've been on a couple of episodes there.
Where?
Purgatory.
What's the purgatory about? That's the in between.
No, the show.
Oh no, it's
Crowley's cool.
He's on Doctor Who.
Yeah, he's cool.
But he was American on Doctor Who.
It looks like there's cheese on it. Why didn't we put cheese on top?
Because we're not smart.
So Ina wants one.
Okay,
You owe us money.
I want you to pull it out already.
Well, I can't because it's a half. Like that.
What? Oh
Fail.
wait, it's like sneak peek.
It's a tease.
what is that? It's pizza.
Oh,
Ew.
This is Ina's piece.
Okay, so it has macaroni, Doritos, basil or basil.
Oh wow, the basil's really strong.
What's in it? And cheese. And cream cheese.
I think it needs more cheese. Nice to know next time.
Is this yours or mine?
That's yours. So you could.
that was strange.
It's so big.
I like it.
That's what she said.
Is that on radio too?
Radio.
Radio. It is on radio, but
If we put it there.
No, you're gonna be like that old lady with the fairies.
What old lady with the look berries?